Hello everyone, Piotr speaking. I would like to share my weekly analysis with you. We have a new monthly candles. The new month has begun. So there are some new signals on the charts. Let's start with the Euro-US dollar monthly chart. As you can see, we have here quite a strong bearish signal. It's dark cloud cover. So the previous candle covered entirely the one before. Okay, so that should be considered as a bearish signal, and the market should react to that and should move downward. Okay, the market has broke through this Bollinger Middle Band as well. Okay, so that is additional signal for myself that the market may more likely to go down. Okay, I think this one is correlated and has its roots in this candle, in this May candle, which broke through this support line. Okay, and traders sometimes uses this as such situation as a entry with a shorter stop loss for such position. Okay, because a short stop loss for this candle should be somewhere here. So if you find a good entry point somewhere here, your stop loss is relatively shorter than from the position here, somewhere here, regarding to this candle. Okay, so for the time now, I think we can expect some downward movements still, because we have quite a strong weekly candle, a red one, which broke as well through this Bollinger Middle Band. Okay, so I'll be looking for a short position for the coming week. Sorry. Okay, this movement here we can treat as a correction for this downward movement. So that's why I think we are at the beginning of a quite stronger impulse movement to the downside. Okay. Good. So on the weekly chart, on the daily chart, sorry, I have my Fibo. I've plotted my Fibo retracements like that on the chart, and I'm not really happy with this Fibo right here, because I'm not so sure whether that should be here or somewhere here. I use this trend following system, which says that I can plot a Fibo levels when the market moves to the Bollinger lower band and start turning around and going up, so making the first reaction, first correction to this movement. Okay, but as you can see, the market hasn't touched the Bollinger lower band yet. Okay, and then moved strongly downward. Okay, so if I set it like that, the market has already reached this 161.8 level. Okay, so that is a little bit tricky now. Okay, but and if I say okay, I should have a break through this zero line on a MECD as well, which is one of the requirements for the system. So I can set up and plot the Fibo levels at this point. Okay, but at that point the market hasn't turned up to test the Bollinger Middle Band and to test this 61.8 level. So this area is a little bit tricky. Okay, but anyway, we have a weekly red candle, and I will be looking for short positions. I had a short position on last Friday, with this candle. This candle hit the Bollinger lower band at 11 a.m. local server time here, and that has triggered a short position, at least as long as this red candle, so it was easily reached. On the other hand, you can see here on a 4 hours chart quite a strong movement, downward movement, and the market has reached already this 261.8 level. So around this area, many traders has already closed their take profits. Okay, so there's a higher risk that the market may go up only because of that the position, that the short positions has been already closed. And as you can see, we have a divergence on the market. So the market did another low, and at the same time the MECD did a higher low, so-called higher low. If you have any troubles with understanding this, you can contact me on a Skype or send me an email. That's not a problem. We can talk a little bit and I can explain a little bit more for you. Okay, so what else do we have on this chart? I have here a resistance line, and there's another resistance line here as well. So if the market breaks through this resistance line, I will consider a long position, which will be unfortunately against the weekly chart and the monthly chart. So actually we should leave it. So that won't be a good one. So it's better to look for a short position. But as I said, this daily situation is a little bit tricky because of that, what I just explained. And on the 4 hours chart we have already a divergence. So yeah, I always say it's better to be quite flexible regarding your positions, and take that what you can see and find on the charts. So do not imagine anything. Just play as it is on the charts. Okay, so that's the euro, US dollar, euro, Japanese yen. Monthly chart, monthly candle, a red one, which went down halfway of this previous one. Okay, so and the MECD is moving up and is almost breaking this zero line here. Okay, so one should consider that as well, and it's not that strong yet, this reaction and this correction. Yeah. Okay, on the weekly chart we have a red candle with a long lower shadow, and the market hasn't broke through this support line yet. Okay, but on the other hand, the upward trend was quite strong, and I think we are in the correction now. We are in the correction now, and this movement here can be treated as a 5. So 1, 2, 3, that's the 4, and then 5. So another upward movement is likely possible. Okay, so that's the weekly. Daily candle. Okay, I have plotted FIBO like that. Again, what is missing here, that the MECD is not breaking through the zero line yet. Okay, so that is another uncomfortable situation for myself, to be honest with you. Okay, I will watch it and see what to do later on. The market may make some correcting a reaction to this retesting to this broken support line. Okay, and the market may turn somewhere here around this 61.50, around this Bollinger Middle Band level. So that is still possible because of this strong daily candle. So we will see. I have plotted another support line on the 4 hours chart, and on this RSI on the 4 hours chart. And if the market breaks through this support line, there's a chance that I will have a good short trade setup, a good short position. Yeah, this is already kind of weakness. We've got a strong green candle which is outside the Bollinger upper band, and then you've got the next one is a red one already, which goes down again, goes back into the area of the Bollinger bands, and you can see that the MECD is not that strong as it was here. Okay, and all this movement is a kind of correction. You can see it better on this 4 hours chart. This one here, that area here. So that is kind of correction. The market is in a consolidation, and it is quite highly possible that the market breaks down through this support line. Okay, so that is the Euro and Japanese yen. The Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. Yeah, quite a similar situation. On a monthly chart, a strong red candle, but the MACD is moving, breaking through the zero line, almost, not yet, but it's quite high. Okay, and this gap in between those two candles and that red one can be considered as a continuation signal. This is called as upside gap free method, and this is a continuation signal. Okay, so the best way is to wait until the market retests this 61.8 level and then turn up again and break through this FIBO 100 line. Okay, and I will set a pending order above this area, so this will be somewhere here with 30 pips as a filter, and then the market may go up. Okay, good. We have break through the support line on the RSI here on that candle, so that causes this movement, downward movement for the 300-400 pips. Okay, the weekly candle is a red one with a quite long lower shadow, which shows still some strength among the bulls. Good. Okay, the daily charts, I've plotted FIBO levels like that. So I'm waiting until the market will test this area and turn around once again and move through this FIBO 100 level. If it happens, of course, I will have here a pending order and a short position. Regarding this 4 hours chart, you can see I have spotted those harmonic patterns here, these butterfly patterns, and you can see how strong that was. The market moved strong down, breaking through all those levels. Is 161 and 260, 61.8. And now we had actually on Friday there was a good short position. This candle broke through those levels and through this Bollinger lower band, but on a 30 minutes chart, with having FIBO levels set up like that, here you can see that the market has reached this 261.8 level. So I've waited until the market moved up here and set up and took a short position with a relative low stop loss. Okay, so I will see whether the stop loss will be triggered, or the market move down and I will have a short position with a take profit. Okay, so what can I say more to that? What can I add? Yeah, I think that's pretty much what I can see right now on the market regarding this pair, US dollar and Japanese yen. Monthly chart. Here on the monthly chart, the market broke through this, the MACD broke through the zero line. Okay, you can see on those bars that the bars are already over the zero line, and the market should make some correction right now. Okay, so that would be the best way, what I would wish to happen, because that would be then very precisely according to my trend following system. So for now, I can only wait and see what the market will do. I don't think it's a good idea to just enter into the market right now, because it's quite overbought already. Okay, the weekly chart. Okay, this one can be triggered as a hanging man, I guess, with a long lower shadow, but the candle is green, is red, and you can see the market is heavily overbought. It's better to wait and watch the market, and most probably if you have a short position, so somewhere here, you can see it on the 4 hours chart. That's the daily line, and that's another 4 hour support line. Okay, so the market has reacted to this support line very precisely, and now we'll see whether this will be a resistance area for the market or not. If something happens here with a quite strong signal like an evening star, that may give me another chance to enter a short position. Okay, because the market moved quite strongly down here. Okay, so that is a kind of correction to this movement, in my opinion. And having in mind this situation on a daily chart with this red, quite strong red candle, very strong one actually. Okay, so that may give us another short position. Okay, good. Great Britain pound, US dollar, weekly chart, kind of dodgy chart. So indecision. Monthly, the monthly candle, red one, strong one, breaking through the lower band, but that has been stopped on this support line. Okay, the MACD starts moving downwards again. So there's a very small one bar, a green bar. So now I think the market should make some correction here around this area. This downward movement was already quite strong, even that strong that I even didn't have any chance to enter into this position somewhere here. But let's see and let's wait for the coming days and see what the market will show us. Considering only this weekly candle as a doji, so it's better to wait a little bit and stay away from the market, yeah, and watch the market. Do not rush. It's better to wait and lose money. Okay, that's the Great Britain pound. And gold, regarding weekly candle, again kind of doji candle. So indecision. Monthly broke strongly through this bond middle band to the second one, so confirmed the previous one. We broke through this bond middle band, and now if I have a chance to enter into a short position somewhere here, I will do that. Otherwise, I think it's better to wait, because I think we may have this butt pattern on the market as well. So there might be some kind of reaction on that wing here. So having this daily chart, so the market may turn up. I have plotted this resistance level on the RSI, and I wait for the market to move through this line. As you can see, the market was in the oversold area once, then move up. Now it's again in the oversold area, but this breaking through this 30 level and through up here may be considered as a stronger one than here. Okay, 1 hour chart. Okay, yeah. I had a video also in English regarding this situation, because when I prepared the previous one, an update, the market was somewhere here. Okay, so that was the situation on the 4 hour chart. So you can see how the market moved down, all this path down. Okay. So for the time of being, I'll wait a little bit for the market and see whether I can enter in a short position once again. Okay, so I think that's all for now. I hope you enjoy my English weekly analysis. I'll try to make some updates during the week in English as well. So that's the beginning in my English analysis. So I hope you can give me some updates. So take care and happy trading. Ciao.